Hello, dear students. In the last class, we had learned about verbs. What are verbs? Verbs are doing words. When we learn grammar, in the rules of grammar, we have always learned verbs as doing verbs. That means they signify an action that is done. That action can be dancing, running, pulling something, pushing. So these are action words. Now, always the words cannot be described as action words. Sometimes they may signify possession, they may signify any sense or any feelings. So, according to that, there are different types of verbs. Basically, there are three types of verbs: action verbs, linking verbs, and helping verbs. Action verbs are words that express action, as I told you before. Examples: give, eat, walk, etc. Action verbs also show possession. Possession means अपने पास कुछ होना. Whenever we say कि मेरे पास ये है, so to possess something shows possession. For example, have, own, etc. Action verbs can be either transitive or intransitive. Now, this word is new for you. The word transitive is new for you. But when you will read, you will come to know what are transitive verbs and what are intransitive verbs. Now, let us go for non-action verbs. As I said you before, there are some verbs which does not show action, but still they are verbs. So, those verbs that describe a state of being a state of being, emotion, possession, sense और ओपिनियन. जो कोई वर्ब हमें कुछ बताता है कि हम कुछ है, या तो कोई इमोशन बताता है या तो पोजेशन बताता है कि अपने पास कुछ है, कोई सेंस दिखाता है या तो फिर कोई ओपिनियन अपनी राय बताता है. दोज काइंड ऑफ वर्ब्स आर नोन एज नॉन एक्शन वर्ब्स. Now, there are certain non-action verbs. They include love, agree, feel, am. Am means possession. When I say that I am a girl, so that shows that I am being someone. So, it is a state of being. Have. Have shows possession. I have a book. So, that shows possession. So, that is an example of non-action verbs. Now, in a given sentence, how can we recognize a verb? आपने बहुत सारी ऐसी एक्सरसाइज की है जहाँ आपको बोला गया है कि वर्ब्स को अंडरलाइन करो, एडजेक्टिव्स को अंडरलाइन करो, नाउन्स को अंडरलाइन करो, प्रोनाउंस को अंडरलाइन करो. So, in a given sentence, if you are told to underline a verb, how you will come to know whether it is a verb or not? So, one good example to recognize a verb is its location that compared to the subject. एक रूल है वर्ब को रिकॉग्नाइज करने के लिए, एंड दैट रूल इज verbs almost always come after a noun or pronoun. verb ज़्यादातर noun या pronoun के बाद ही आता है. What are nouns? Nouns are names of people, places, animals and things. Pronouns are the words that are used in place of noun. He, she, it, they. These are all pronouns. तो जो वर्ड नाउन या प्रोनाउन के बाद आते हैं उनको वर्ब्स कहते हैं, या वर्ब्स का स्थान हमेशा नाउन और प्रोनाउन के बाद ही आता है. Now let us take some examples. Mark eats his dinner quickly. We went to the market. So Mark is a noun, that is a proper noun, but you can see that after a pronoun there comes a word which is in bold letter, eats. So here eats is the verb. We went to the market. We is again a pronoun. So after pronoun comes the verb. So what is the verb here? Went. So this is how you recognize a verb. Here are two more examples. You write neatly in your notebook. They thought about all the prizes in the competition. Now, there are some other ways also to recognize the verbs in a sentence. दूसरा भी तरीका है कि अगर हमको recognize करना है कि verb कहाँ है कोई भी sentence में. If you are not sure if a word is a verb, ask yourself, can I do? अपने आप से पूछना है कि क्या मैं ये कर सकता हूँ. Can I think, wonder, walk, yawn? Yes. So these are verbs. कुछ अगर हम कर रहे हैं तो करने की जो क्रिया है उसको verb कहते हैं. You can also ask what is happening. क्या चल रहा है. क्या आप खेल रहे हो, क्या आप दौड़ रहे हो, क्या आप सो रहे हो. So these are all verbs. So when we ask ourselves what is happening, then we can identify a verb. Now we'll discuss about the action verbs in the next video. Thank you.